To fix this problem, go to network setting, network connection, and then click on Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi you want to resolve. This one is wrong. And then click on connect. Then once you click on connect, select the Wi-Fi name. In this case, I'm using Redmi. I'm using my phone as a hotspot, so it's Redmi. Now, don't forget to click on connect automatically. Once you click on this option, you click on connect. Almost for it to connect. You can go to advanced option to check the wireless configuration. If it is something below 1000, you really need to upgrade your Wi-Fi wireless cards. So once I go to network connection, click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect automatically, and then click on connect. Now, another important thing you have to do is to go to your Wi-Fi management setting and then click clear other wireless network you are not using, so that you just left with one, which means as soon as the hotspot is activated, your computer will automatically connect to the network.